Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Itop VPN 7.5 review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you've been checking out Itop VPN, especially the 7.5 version, well, think of it as a super straightforward tool built for casual users who just want to bypass regional block without getting bogged down in messy settings. Now, setting it up takes just less than a minute here if you're going to try it. So you just download the app and you don't even have to register an email or enter a credit card here. Now, the main dashboard features a giant connect button, usually, and that instantly hooks you up to the fastest local server. Now, what makes the version 7.5 so user-friendly is its categorized sidebar. Now, if you want to watch specific shows or play an online game, you just click the dedicated streaming or gaming tabs, and the app serves up a list of servers optimized exactly for those platforms here. Now, if you are strictly looking for a free tool here, well, this version has some undeniable perks. Now, for starters, it hands you a flat 700 megabytes of free data every single day, which adds up to over like 21 gigabytes a month, and easily beats out almost every other cap free VPNs on the market as of right now, which is pretty cool. Now, since there is zero sign-up friction here, you can use that data completely anonymously without handling over your email. Now, desktop app is also packed with handy extra features like the built-in ad blocker and split tunneling, which again lets you choose exactly which apps use the encrypted tunnel. Now, plus, as long as you stick to a server close to your actual house, the download speeds here are surprisingly snappy and perfect for smooth browsing here. But in this case, there are still a few things that you may want to consider here, since this is not a perfect platform. Now, the biggest issue here is that Itop doesn't use an industry standard open source protocols like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Now, instead, they rely on a closed source proprietary encryption scheme. So, meaning independent tech experts cannot inspect the underlying code to verify if your data is actually safe. Now, to make matters here a bit more complicated, they have never completed an independent privacy audit here, and the security tests here have caught their built-in kill switch for failing during the sudden app crashes. Now, which can silently kill or basically leak your information or identity. So they are also based out of Hong Kong, meaning they don't offer the same ironclad legal privacy protections that you would get with providers located in Switzerland. So, if you're wondering if this is the best app out there that you could use, or a free app that you could use as of right now, well, the honest and real answer to this is it depends on you. Now, in this case, if your primary goal here is a bulletproof privacy, maximum transparency, and data safety, well, services or other services there may be a better option. But if your only goal here is just a fast, zero-effort backup tool to jump past a basic sports blackout or watch a regional YouTube clip, well, in this case, Itop VPN 7.5 specifically is going to be a perfectly fine option or secondary option to keep in your back pocket. But that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.